Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 65,000 is all in this one. 6.4 liter Hemi V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an 8-speed Torque Flight automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front fascia grille on this one. Paint color, brilliant black crystal pearl. Interior is black, full Napa leather seats with suede inserts. Take your time looking through the still pictures, folks. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Upgraded wheels to the 20x10 black vapor chrome forged aluminum wheels with the big Brembo brakes up front. Heat extractor hood, and as you can see, paint shows well. Tinted side glass, so know your local and state laws depending on window percentage of tint you can have on there. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You can see this thing's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, it is black. It's got a few miles on it. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall this one shows well. You'll be able to see still pictures again of the underside, interior, engine bay, every angle. You'll see the roof. Speaking of roof, this does have the optional dual pane panoramic sunroof. It also has the luxury group 2 package. You can see the window sticker in with the still pictures, and I'll tell you where those pics are again here in just a bit. I do want to mention that it does have a new water pump and serpentine belt also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I did notice it did have Borla exhaust tips on it, so you'll be able to see the exhaust again from the underside pics. And those underside pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into the high performance, later model stuff like this one, maybe SUVs or Corvettes, Challengers, whatever it may be, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase on our website or, of course, off our showroom floor. If you make it to see us in person, we always like that. As far as the driver's side, again, you can see there's no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may have a little spot where it's touched up, and also on the side of the door right down here, just a real small one. Maybe a few of those here and there, but overall, again, clean vehicle. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, your modern amenities from your memory seating, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seats both sides. Here's that full Napa leather with the suede inserts. And remember, if you see the coloring like this, it's due to the nap of the cloth and which way it's laying, just so you know. It may look like it's different colors, but as you can see me running my fingers through there, it changes the nap and how that suede is laying. So seats in nice condition. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to start this up, show you the exact miles, let you take a listen to it, slip around, peek underneath the hood. It does have rubber floor mats. All right, so first off, let me show you the exact miles. There it is, 65,629. Grand Cherokee SRT, again, there it is, 65,629. Dash looks good. Of course, the U-Connect. We do have heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Heated and ventilated seats are up front. Climate control. Stereo system working. And of course, we do have the mode as far as your suspension, performance modes, launch. All right, steering wheel controls, as you can see here. Of course, the tap shift up above. Let's fire this thing up. Oh, controls for the shade are right here on that dual pane panoramic roof, and then of course this is for the power glass slider. There we go. Listen to that. And again, if you want to see exactly how this is equipped, take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to come across the window sticker. Best way to do it. I tried to hit on them highlighted items, but that window sticker is going to tell you a lot more. And then remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's take a peek at that engine bay. Underside of the hood, hood liner nice and clean. I also want to mention this does have the Quadra-Track on-demand four-wheel drive system, as well as the high-performance suspension. Again, you're going to see that in with the window sticker option, just like I was talking about. There it is, 6.4 liter Hemi. Nice and clean and tidy, as you'd expect under here. Automatic with overdrive transmission, 8-speed torque plate to be exact, power steering, power brakes. AC nice and clean, sounds good, looks good. Stick around a little longer, we're taking it for a drive, remember.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. This Jeep has a very nice exhaust note. I'm sure you just heard it. You might hear it a little bit through the windows, but let's go down the road. Very fun to drive Jeep. Great acceleration, awesome exhaust note, as I was saying. All the modern amenities of a 2015 vehicle. I must say, a very good sound in stereo. They did their homework on the audio. Automatic right here on the center console, super easy to drive because of that. You can also go to paddle shift mode when you want to have some more fun. What looks like a panoramic sunroof over my head, those are nice as well. Brakes are working very nicely. Looks like we've got real needles for some of our gauges. The coolant temperature, which is about a third of the way up. Fuel gauge, the same, about 3/4 full. Tachometer on the left, working very well, and the digital speedometer. Cloth and leather combo seats, very nice. Not going to be that hot in the summertime like this full leather buckets are. Take a look at all the pictures and learn everything you need to know about this Jeep Grand Cherokee at uniqueclassiccars.com.